Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. Today's video is a video request. I got a lot of you guys asking me how to factory reset the Tanggula box. I did do a video on this, but a lot of you guys are telling me you can't get to that point because there is two ways of factory resetting this box. One is going through the main menu and actually hitting factory reset. But from what you guys are telling me is you guys are stuck on the Tanggula startup page. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset it and get it back going. All right, so the first way to do a factory reset is let's head over to Settings, Device Preferences, About, second option, Factory Reset. And you go right here, hit Factory Reset, and your box will reset. If you can't get to the main menu to do the factory reset, there is a hidden reset button on this box. This one you can't find it. Now get yourself, I like using a toothpick. You can use a paper clip. Because of the way we're going to be resetting this, I prefer not to use metal. So the reset button is actually hidden inside the AV button. So what we're going to do is drop the toothpick in. So what you're going to do is we're going to unplug it, locate that button, press down. You will hear the little click. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it is there. So now we're going to do is press, hold that button down. Do not let go. Now plug it back in. Keep holding that button down. And we should see the little Android guide. Okay, so once we get to this page, now we're going to head down to right here, Wipe Data Factory Reset. Before you guys press OK, keep in mind this will erase everything. If you purchased your box from somebody like Amazon or a third-party website, there's a good chance the Tanggula app is not preloaded onto your box. You're going to have to install it. I will put a link in the description where you could download it. But keep in mind, your box still needs to be authorized by Tanggula. That being said, press OK. Now we go to Factory Data Reset. And as you guys can see right here, this cannot be undone. Press OK. I'm not going to fast forward this so you guys can see how long it takes. There you go. So now once this part's all done, now we're going to hit System Reboot. First option. Now the system's rebooting. We're just going to let this run its course. If you get to this part, chances are you're good to go. As you guys can see, the Tanggula app at the bottom is gone. It's going to give it a few more seconds to see if anything is going to be popping up, because there might be stuff installing in the background. If you guys are running on Wi-Fi, make sure you head over to Settings, Network, and right here just turn your Wi-Fi on and you should get your list of Wi-Fis. So now let's go to Apps. And what you're looking for is the Tanggula app. Here it is. So the TA Store. Click on it and there's the three, and there's the activation app as well. Download that one. Download this one. Install. I'm just going to add them here to the bottom. There's one. Okay, and here's the second one. Exit out. Okay, guys, so that's the second method of how to do a factory reset. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.